Stupid family, what? Me and Bae gon' always be tight. Though you not with me every single day and night. Even when they start to acting like a fool, yeah, they loving every single thing you do. You know that they can always be themselves. They love each other more than anybody else. And every day as you see them on YouTube, you know there's not one, it'll always be just two. Too stupid Emily, too stupid Emily, too stupid family. They'll make you scream. It makes me wanna sing. It's a family thing, a family. Too stupid family, stupid family. They'll push your buttons. It makes me wanna cry. It's a family thing, a family. Too stupid family. So I got this already in the drawer right here. I got me some tape so I can take me some nails, band-aids. I got this little trainer bra. I'm put on outside. I'm put on this outside my shirt. Just for the look, I guess. I don't know. But I'm just gonna do that. So let me lock this door. Let me move this out the way so y'all can see. Okay. So first I'm gonna put this on. There we go. What's up, Two Stupid Family? It's your girl Lele, and I am back with another video. Alright, y'all. So I decided to prank Nate as me being Ratchet. Okay, I asked him to take me to a cookout because, you know, I'm hungry and I ate all day. So, I told him to go on downstairs for me in the car or whatever, and I'm getting ready because, you know, he like to rush people or whatever. So I'm just up here, getting ready or whatever. Y'all like my nails? Yeah, it's coming off though. I got my neck pillow with me. Got the La Familia on. You feel me? Shout them out. Alright, y'all, comment Team Lele down below if y'all rocking with your girl. Alright, y'all, let me get into the video. What's up, babe? Got my neck pillow. What you mean? Wait.
You in a vlog?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. My seatbelt on. What you doing? Stop touching all of me. You don't touch on me, phone. Corona going around. You touching on me and stuff.
You gonna show me where it's at?
Yes, I'm gonna show you.
What you got?
Roll my window up. The air on. Wait, don't run the gas out.
Put the air on.
Said roll my window up. My nails keep bending.
Paper nails. You gotta take one of them off.
Okay, and
Why is you yelling?
because you being irking right now and I don't got time.
Yeah, shut up. Bro.
You shut up. You not gonna do nothing about it? You ain't gonna pop me in my mouth, is you? Okay then. That's what I thought.
Who was you talking
Period. 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 Honey.
Bitch, what's wrong going?
This way.
Period that, nigga.
Making my nail come off. It's smell like shut up talking to me. I need some gum. I got my gum in the house. See? They ain't brushing me.
Look what
Hey. Okay, stop. What you doing?
Which way, bro?
This way. Go that way. Go right. Damn.
Your condom
My
wrapping in your ass.
bonnet.
Fuck you on a bonnet in the
I'm just gonna take this nail off because this nail already
Take it
coming
off.
off.
And then real nails anyway.
Okay, nobody asked you.
I asked myself. I said, what is she doing? I wonder why you was taking
Stop
all
talking to
that.
me. Stop talking to me.
Hmm? What? Shit. I bet.
Period.
What did you say?
What are you talking about?
I'm going straight.
No, you're gonna turn left at the light, boo. Hurt. I know where you going.
Yo, look what you got on. That is earthy.
Okay, let me wear what I wanna wear. You is not me. I am not you. So don't, honey. If I wanna go look at some stuff like this, let me look like this. If I want to. This is cute to me. I am vlogging. What's the problem?
What the hell you got on?
Do you gotta get something off your chest, sweetheart?
I already got out my chest. You need to get something off your chest. Yo, actually, nigga. The hell?
I don't got time for this. Like,
You was tweaking.
you was tweaking. You're not gonna fight. You. Cause you feel me? I fight dudes. I fight them, and I fight you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Take that off.
Don't touch me.
What the hell you hit me for? Take that shit off.
Okay. Bitch, stop!
Take that
What
off.
is you doing? Do you want to fight? Do you want to fight? Do you want to fight?
Chill out.
Alright then. That's what I thought. Let me call my sis over here. You was tripping. On my sister's ass. Call my sisters over here. Ooh, watch out.
Why is that
I'm finna call my brother on you. I'm finna call my big brother on you. You was tripping on my phone ass. You was
You ain't
tripping.
even got no big brother.
Touch me. Yes, I do got a big brother. How you gonna tell me? He'll beat your ass.
You ain't even got no big
Watch out. Let me see if I'm gonna call my
Yo,
brother because you
move.
trip. No, keep straight, sweetheart. Like, and you just ripped all my nails off. Oh yeah, I'm finna call my brother on you.
I ripped them off.
I'm finna call my brother.
Sit back, nigga. Sit your
I'm
ass.
finna-
Sit
I'm
back.
finna call my
Sit
brother.
back. Sit back. Sit back, bro. You doing too much. Before I knock you out.
I'm finna call my brother.
What
You.
you keep talking about? You ain't even got no big brother.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Alright, so when he come beat your ass up, don't say nothing. That's what I thought.
You know I'm
That's
at.
what I thought. And I got my big cousin too. And what you wanna do?
You know I'm
What
at.
you wanna do?
What you want to do?
What
Kyle?
you wanna do?
What you want to do?
I got a big
What you
cousin,
wanna
big
do?
brother,
What you wanna do?
big
What you
sister,
wanna do? What you wanna do?
uncle.
What you
What
wanna
you
do?
wanna do? I got a grandpa too.
What you want to do?
Sweetheart.
I beat up all of them from
I'll
the baby
call all
to
of 'em.
the from the baby to the
All
grandpa.
of 'em.
From the baby to the
Stop.
grandpa. I beat up all of them.
Honey.
I beat up all of them from the baby to the grandpa. What up? Right now. What up?
First of all, you're not gonna
What
do
up?
shit.
Shut up then.
We'll
Shut up
all
then.
beat your ass.
Shut up then.
We'll all beat your ass.
Mm,
Yeah, that part.
You tweak.
That part.
You tweak.
Period.
You tweak.
My family don't play.
You tweak.
I got my big brother on the
You
way.
ain't even got no big brother.
Yes, I do. Alright, let me call my
Bro,
brother.
sit your ass
Alright.
back. God damn.
Bet.
What? Check this shit up.
Watch out.
Hey, ragged ass nails.
Okay, and I can get them redone.
Yeah, little ankle monitor head.
That's on period.
That's on period. What is on period? What is on period?
It's on
Y'all just
period.
making up some words. It's Donkey Kong and
My bad sister cat.
shit. Who you talking to?
You.
I ain't your sister nothing, honey. Sister rat looking at nigga. Your potato crumb head ass. What wrong with you, man? Better chill out.
I really don't give. I don't care.
You better chill out.
No, you chill out.
You better chill out.
You chill out, honey.
Yeah, that smoking that cigarette.
Let me see what I want to order.
Shut up, bye.
Come on, order your food, please,
Bro,
sir.
can they talk? Damn.
Is they gonna come on or what?
Scared.
It's only 2 people in line.
Damn, they finna order before me.
Dang. I'm really finna go on them folk. I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry.
You got your nails on your leg.
Okay? Don't throw nothing at me.
You know what that
It's
mean?
okay, because my big brother coming. It's okay. I'm gonna call
I'll
him.
fight a bit better.
He gonna come. He gonna come. It's okay. Ugh. So hot.
Shut your, what the bitch you doing? Funky ass bitch.
First of all, my feet not funky. Your booty funky. Period.
talking like that, bro?
Your booty funky. Kiss the toe. Talk to the toe cause the face don't want to talk to you.
What?
Talk to my toe cause my face don't want to talk to you.
Put your feet out my face.
Stop. I'm gonna call my big brother. Give me your phone. Let me see your phone. Come on, quickly. Cause you was really tripping right now.
Call him so
you said what to him too?
So you can know my location. I whoop his ass.
I bet. I'm finna call him.
Yep. Let her call him on my phone. Put them dukes up. Now you know his phone.
You better answer the phone. Brother!
And I got the gloves.
Brother!
And I got the gloves.
This nigga over here put his hands on me. Yes. He done snatched my hat. Snatched my nails off me. Yep. He sure did. Yup. We are cooking right now. He over here showing out in front of these people like I won't beat him up or something. Like I said, I was gonna call my big brother on him. He is tripping for real. Yes. Yup. Like I said, period. Tell him, big brother. You'll do him in. Yup. Say it to his face. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yep. Big brother, come get him. Cause he is really tripping right now. Yeah, he is tripping right now. He is really tripping. Like I want to call you or something. Like you want to come down here and beat him up or something.
What kind of sauce?
Don't talk to me.
Who you talking to?
Talk to my big brother right now.
Shut up. Hold the food, man. Tell your big brother, shut up.
You want to say it to his face, though? That's what I thought. Yeah, he told him, he said, what's up? He said, what's up?
My big brother
said, what's up?
Nigga, he know what's up. He know what's up.
I bet, yeah.
He know what's up.
Yeah, you on your way? I bet. Bet we finna pull up at home because this nigga tripping right here. Put his hands on me.
You got no big brother.
Yes, I do. And he on the way. Ain't you on the way, big brother? I bet.
Go out this way.
Yeah. Alright.
Nigga, you didn't even got no big brother, nigga.
Text me when you outside, cause he tripping right now. Yeah. Keep putting his hands on me like he tripping or something. Yeah, call my big cousin too. Yeah, call that cousin.
Nigga, bring everybody, nigga.
Yeah.
Bring him.
Call Auntie Sharisha too, yo, cause she with it too, yo. Call everybody, cause he is tripping right now. Yeah, call him. I bet. Yeah, you know what to do. I
don't even need to call nobody.
I
don't need to call nobody.
Bye.
I don't even need to call
tripping.
nobody.
You is tripping. Yeah, he on the way. Yeah, he on the way.
Bitch ass brother.
Yeah, he on the way. Yup.
I don't care, nigga. Put you out in when I beat his ass.
You ain't gonna beat nothing. You're not gonna do nothing. Honey, that's what don't touch me no more.
Who you talking to?
Cause I will climb over this seat and hit you in your face.
I'm right here. I'm not all the way down there.
Sweetheart.
Right, exactly. That's how I feel. That's how I feel.
Sweetheart.
That's how I feel.
I don't know what you thought.
That's how I feel. Shut up, yeah. I thought so. Please.
No.
Please. What you doing?
I'm finna see who the fuck you talking to.
Nigga.
Oh, man. Hey, he talking to you. He talking to you. You talking to him over there? Yeah. You, sir. He talking to you. Yeah.
Talking to your ass.
No, he talking to you.
Put your ass back.
Honey. What you thought? You're not talking to me. You talking to that nigga over there, not me.
What's up if I press on the brakes?
What's
up if I press on the brakes? Where's your fucking window?
Don't roll my window up if I didn't say.
You talking about, nigga?
Get in the right lane.
Shut your ass up, nigga.
You shut up.
Nigga. Is you driving?
Is you driving?
Okay then. Yup.
Nope.
Homie.
Honey.
What? Bah!
That's what I thought.
That's what I thought. Krispy Kreme donut head ass.
Hey, you know that new Cardi B, the Stallion song came out the other day. It's popping for real. You know that song? Know that song? That WAP. That WAP. You know that song?
Bro, chill out.
Hey, you know that song?
You can mess with me, bro.
Hey, you was tripping. You sleeping on them for real. That song, fire.
Sing.
No, because I get copyright. I can't sing it.
I did. Goodbye.
That's why my big brother coming out because you.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay. I can yell too. What you want to do, sweetheart? Period. Honey. What I thought. I'm lighter than you. Yup.
Do you even know how you fucking look?
Yes, I know how I look. I'm fine. I'm fabulous. Bougelicious. Period, honey. I'm the baddest of them all. That's on what? Period. Yeah, yeah, bet. Yep, Yep, all of that. Yeah, I'm all of that. Yep, yep. Yeah, I don't hear you talking yet. That's what I thought, yeah, sweetheart.
You was an embarrassing.
No, you're embarrassing.
You're
embarrassing.
Too stupid nation.
You're embarrassing, honey.
Look what the hell you got on.
Look what you got on.
Look, it's 90 degrees outside.
And you got on pants, yeah, alright, yeah.
And you got on 2 shirts in the head.
It's not 2 shirts, sweetheart.
Nigga.
It's a bra and a shirt.
And I got on joggers.
And that's the style now. So what? People wearing joggers in the summertime now? Oh,
it's not even summer, bro. It's not even summer, bro.
It is summer.
No, it ain't, bro.
Yeah, it is summer.
You think it's summer?
No, I know.
That's why you got on there. Your sun blaze, you blocking the sun and shit. Big ass head.
It ain't coming over.
You need it right there for.
Why did you yelling?
I'm not yelling, bro. You yelling. You
Huh?
fucking headache.
I can hear you perfectly fine.
Oh my god. Why is you yelling?
Cause you yelling at me. Stop yelling at me.
You make me sleepy, bro. God damn.
Okay. You make me sick, so what?
Ain't nobody gonna want you. Ain't nobody gonna want you looking like that.
First of all, don't talk to me like you crazy because I'll get wild up in this car, so don't ask no questions because I will do it, sweetheart. Honey.
Why you talking like that? Girl, get your goddamn feet down.
Nope.
Embarrassing to the community.
Watch
Right?
out! What you doing?
Put your feet
hands up.
fucking down.
Stop touching me.
See, look, you knock it down. Bro, but don't put your feet back up, bro. Don't put your feet back up, bro.
Okay. I
Not
quit.
playing with you.
I quit. You
Not
wanna
playing
know?
with you.
You know what? You know? This was
What
a
you
prank.
talking about, bro? Putting your feet up here for no fucking reason, bro.
This was a
Fucking
prank.
Fucking prank shit.
Oh, he'd be so mad. Oh my gosh, it'd be so funny. It was a prank, babe. You could chill out now. I won't go out for real in public looking like this.
Shit, you did? The hell you mean?
Cause it was a prank, that's why. But you know, not on the regular, I wouldn't.
Somebody prank shit. Nigga.
Oh my god.
Prank what? So I was right. You looking like a bum, Ratchet club.
Acting Ratchet.
You was looking like everything.
Y'all comment Team Lele down below if y'all think I did good.
Okay.
If you're new to this,
Team, they too stupid, man.
no, it's
Team
Team
too stupid.
Lele over here.
You got me right here. But comment Team too stupid. I got bangers on the way, pranks on the way.
I wonder if they heard me in the drive-thru when I was yelling because the door was open.
Yeah, you was yelling, bro. Fair bros.
If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video,
Comment and subscribe.
and hit the bell so you
you
can get notified when we drop.
Cause you a punk for that one. Stay tuned, keep us lit, and keep hitting the subscribe and like button and comment in the bell. Keep rocking with us. We're gonna keep dropping bangers. My video next. Stay tuned. You stay tuned too.
Oh Lord.
Cause for real.
Alright, y'all.